The SD442 is an entirely new design of built-in fire. For the first time, you can enjoy the pleasure of an open fire with retractable door, and with the glass closed, it becomes a real high-yield heating appliance with dual combustion, automatic fire adjustment, incorporated ashtray, and even combustion air intake directly from outside. The SD442 presents exactly the same front whether the glass is retracted or closed. The door is concealed at the side, next to the heating unit. This original configuration has enabled Bodart and Gonay to offer a highly compact, retractable door appliance, able to be integrated in a wide variety of situations. You can enjoy the unbeatable pleasure of an open fire. The door mechanism is always easily accessible. The door can be closed again in a few seconds. Now the SD442 becomes an efficient heating appliance. High combustion temperatures and smoke removal from the glass guarantee minimum maintenance. Our SD442 guarantees effective and continuous control of combustion thanks to its thermostat, which allows you to choose a fire intensity always suited to climate conditions, without upsurges even on stoking, and with perfect control of yield. The totally airtight door is fitted with stainless steel gaskets. They're hard-wearing and guarantee constant and optimum operation of the SD442 over time. This airtightness also enables it to be connected directly outside, so that the fire doesn't take its combustion air from the room. This configuration means that it's free of any constraints caused by range hoods or any other system that causes depressions in homes. To obtain a yield of over 75%, an efficient secondary air inlet is installed in the back of the appliance. An adjustable automatic key prevents backdraft on opening the door. It also allows the SD442 to be adapted to the chimney flue according to its draft. A heating appliance worthy of the name must be able to maintain a stable, comfortable temperature in the room. This is why we fitted the SD442 with a thermostat that automatically regulates the intake of combustion air and thereby the intensity of the fire. This function is extremely important. When loading fuel into a standard insert, the new logs ignite quickly and the room becomes overheated. This unstable and too high temperature is characteristic of traditional wood-burning heating. It leads to wasteful consumption of fuel. In the SD442, when after reloading with new fuel, the fire increases in intensity, the thermostat sensor measures the increase in temperature. It then reacts automatically by closing the combustion air inlet little by little. This continuous control of the fire maintains a stable, comfortable temperature in the room. It also noticeably reduces fuel consumption. As an option, the SD442 can be fitted with a fan with a maximum output of 750 cubic meters per hour. This ultra-powerful blower will distribute heat evenly in a large volume, or impel it effectively to other rooms. By making the reclaimer more efficient, it increases the power of the appliance from 8 to 10 kilowatts. The second advantage of this fan is that even at minimum speed, its output is still considerable. And at low rotation speed, it operates almost inaudibly. Electronic adjustment allows you to finely adjust the output in order to adapt it as best as possible to your requirements. This configuration allows discrete hot air output above the door of the SD442. The centrifugal fan, mounted on highly effective silent blocks, is always accessible via the fire. It's always easy to maintain. For more comfort, the starting and stopping of the fan are controlled by a thermal switch, the temperature switch. If you go to bed and leave the fire to burn out during the night, the fan cuts out as soon as the SD442 becomes cold. The variety of finishes available with the SD442 will give free rein to your imagination. The fire mechanisms can be concealed behind a metal frame or a stone-clad frame. A metal door will also allow you to create a log store concealed very practically under the appliance. This door can also be made entirely from a material and finish of your choice. In this case, we suggest hinges that can support a maximum weight of 200 kilograms. The original design of the SD442 enables it to suit a wide variety of situations. In addition to the traditional applications of a built-in fire, it can be installed with ease in less usual rooms like bedrooms, kitchens, or verandas. With the SD442, you can let your imagination run wild.